everyone, please stand up for our opening prayer. So everyone, please stand up. Jerome, Esther, Lila. Okay, let us bow our heads and put our hands together. Let's pray. Oh God, bless us all with health and wealth. Bless us all with money and harmony. Bless us all with peace and peace. Bless us all with wisdom and for devotion. Amen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're good.
Okay, Teacher Kate is glad that you're okay. I am Teacher Kate, your math teacher this morning. Can you say hello, Teacher Kate?
Hello, teacher Kate.
Okay, very good. So before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chair and pick up all the pieces of paper under your chair.
Good teacher.
Okay, be seated. Okay, for your attendance, for my grade 1 student, as I call your name, kindly raise your hand and say, I'm here, teacher. Danica, I'm here, teacher. Lynette, I'm here, teacher. Sharika, okay, very good. For my grade 1 student and for my grade 2 students, as I call your name, kindly raise your hand and say, I'm here, teacher. So, Kimberly, I'm here, teacher. Geraldine, Jerome. Okay, very good, kids. Teacher Kate is glad that every one of you is present this morning. So, now, are you ready to learn something new with Teacher Kate?
Yes.
Again, if you're ready, if I said, are you ready to learn something new with Teacher Kate? I want to hear, I like Teacher Kate. Again, do you want to learn something new with Teacher Kate?
I like teacher Kate.
Okay, very good, kids. So now, what are those things that you need to do when someone is talking? Yes, Esther.
Raise your right hand if you want questions or like.
Yes, very good. Esther, if you want to answer or say something, just raise your hand so that Teacher Kate can notice that you want to say something more. Alright? So what else aside from raise your hand? Yes, Mariel? Listen to me. Yes, very good. You need to listen when someone is talking so that we can understand what they are trying to say. Aside from listen, raise your hand. What else? Yes, Kimberly. Read, teacher. Yes, very good, Kimberly. So now we have here our classroom rules inside. So first, be kind to your classmates. So second is raise your hand to talk. So third is be active in the classroom. So fifth is listen to the teacher. Is that your class?
Yes.
Okay, so Teacher Kate is expected that all of you. Okay, now I want you to look at this picture. What can you see on this picture? Yes, Julibet. Teacher, there's a number. Yes, very good. There's a number. Aside from number, what else? Yes, Jerome. Yes, Jerome. Yes, very good, Jerome. There's a children. Aside from children, yes, Kimberly. There's a finish line and a finish line. Yes, very good. Kimberly, there's a finish line and a finish line. Aside from that, last one, Mariette. There's a what? Yes, very good. There's a road. So now, these 4 children are doing their racing. So they need to reach in the finish line. So to reach in the finish line, they need your help. So now, Teacher Kate will group you into 4 groups. So this row will be the group 1, and this row will be the group 2, and this row will be the group 3, and this row will be the group 4. Is that clear, class?
Yes.
Okay, so each of the group will be have their runner. So do you want to help your runner?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You can help your runner if you will participate inside of our classroom. Again, do you want to help your runner?
Yes.
Okay, let me hear 3 songs if you're ready. Okay, very good. So now I want you to look at this picture. second place? What animal ran or in the second place? Yes, Jerome. Can you teach where is the lion? Can you point? Yes, very good, Jerome. The lion is in the second place. Again, what place does the lion? Second. Yes, very good. Are you in room 4, Jerome? So your runner will move forward. So now, who among these animals who reach in the 4th place? Yes, Mariel. The elephant. Can you please point here? Where is the elephant? Yes, very good. This one who have a big nose. So Mariel, what group are you? Group 2. Okay, group 2. So the group 2 will the runner will move forward. So this question I want to hear from the so which of the animals is leading the race? Who among these animals who lead the race? Yes, sir. Who is the animal who lead the race? The goat. Yes, very good. This bird is goat. So let's give this bird a clap. So are you in group 3? So the group where what is the sound of goat? What is the sound of goat? So Christopher, what is the sound of goat? Can you please very good, Christopher. So the sound of goat does Christmas celebrate. So next is who among these 5 animals who got in or who reached the 3rd place?
Me, teacher.
Yes, Yasmin.
The bird teacher.
What?
The bird.
Yes, very good, Yasmin. The bird. Can you point the bear?
This one, the teacher.
Yes, very good, Yasmin. So Yasmin is in the what? So you're trying to go forward. Bear. Okay, what is the sound of bear? What is the sound of bear? Okay, thank you. So let's give everyone a good job clap. Good job. Good job. So now I have another picture. Wow. Now who stands in the box? Who stands in the box? Kids. Yes, Sharita, very good. The kids. So how many kids are there? 3. Very good. Among these 3 kids, who do you think won the first place?
The boy teacher.
Can you please raise your hand if you want to answer? Yes, Kimberly.
The boy.
Can you point out here? Yes, very good. The one who hold it from in the middle of number 1. So very good, Kimberly. Let's give Kimberly a clap. So Kimberly is in the team. So your runner will move or will run forward. So now, one of these kids won the 3rd place. Yes, this one. So the one who used the bronze medal or the one who stands in the left side or the 3. Very good, Yasmin. So another who among these 3 kids reached the 2nd place. The 2nd place. Yes, Lynette. With the green secret. Yes, very good. Or the one who stands in the right side. So everyone, I want you to listen again. What is our classroom rules? Quiet. Yes, quiet. Another. Yes, listen. So do you think you listen to teacher? Yes. No, you're not. You're doing something. Can you please do that later?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So now I have straight?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now, what can you see or what is this? That's very good. This is a car. How many cars are there? Yes, Sanika.
5, teacher.
Very good. 5 cars. Do you have a car in your house?
Yes.
Wow. Can you please raise your hand if you have? Please, in listener, you can share that. Some of you here has a car, but some of you what? Your car is big. Yes, your car is big. So yes, again, some of you here has a car, and some of you here doesn't have a car. Now we will going to have an activity. So this activity called guess me. So I want you to guess the color of the wheel that I showed you. So again, what color of this wheel?
Teacher.
Christmas.
Red, teacher.
Christmas. This is a red. Can you please say it together? Red. Red. Let's spell the word red. R-E-D. Red. There is Christmas. You're in a group number 3. So your runner will move or will run forward. So for the next wheel, what color of this wheel? Yes, Jasmine.
Apple green, teacher.
Yes, apple green or light green. Very good, Yasmin. So everyone, can you please say light green?
Light green.
Okay. Yes, orange in the middle, but this is a color green because teacher keeps said that the wheel not in. Okay, so very good, Yasmin. Let's give Yasmin a clap. Okay, so your runner will run forward. So now for the third object, what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow, very good. Everyone please say yellow.
Yellow.
Can we spell the word yellow?
Teacher, we don't know how to
We
spell.
don't know how to spell the yellow word. So the yellow word spelled Y. So now for the fourth car, what is the color of the wheel? Yes, Tanika.
White and orange, teacher.
Yes, can you please say the color of this one, ma'am? Not this one.
White, teacher.
Yes, very good. It's white. So everyone please say white.
White.
Very good, Tanika. So are you
Good one, teacher.
Okay. The runner will move forward. So the group 2 is left behind. Can you participate, group 2?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now again. So for the last car, I want the answer from the group 2. So what is the color of the wheel?
Color black, teacher.
Yes, very good. It's color black. So everyone please say
Black.
so again, black.
Black.
Very good. So you got the correct answer. It's black. So you're running the move forward. Now please, everyone please listen. Again, can someone tell me the sequence of the color that I'll show you? Yes, please. Please stand up and raise up the card. Come here, stand. What is the first color?
Red, teacher.
Can you please say it? Don't say it in chorus. You say the first is the red, the second is this.
The first is red.
Yes, very good. Red.
The second is yellow. Light green.
Yes, light green. Very good.
The third is yellow.
Yes, very good. Yellow.
Fourth is white. The last one
Yes.
is black.
Yes, let's give Jasmine a clap. Okay, very good, Jasmine. So I
Teacher, group 1, teacher.
yes, group 1, okay. So now here's my grade 1 and grade 2 students. Can you please listen to teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so for my grade 1 student, our topic for today or our lesson for today is about ordinal numbers up to 10. So, okay, again, can you repeat after me? Ordinal numbers up to 10. Okay, very good. And for my grade 2 students, our lesson for today is about ordinal numbers up to 20. Okay, I will read first, then you will follow. Ordinal numbers up to 20.
20.
Okay, very good. Kids. So when we say ordinal numbers, can you repeat after me? Ordinal numbers is a number defining a thing's position in a series such as first, second, order, and so on. So very good kids. So now, who among you here loves to go to school? Teacher! What do you do in school? Sitting. Where are you sitting? Sitting while you're learning. What else aside from learning? Yes, just eating. Eating, yes. If we lunch time, yes. Yes, this is word.
I'm playing with my classmates.
Yes, playing with your classmates because you build new friendship inside of the classroom. So very good. Yes, Danica. I want to see the picture. Can you please stand up? I want to see the picture to see my class. The picture here. Now, everyone, please listen. You're still in grade 1, so you don't need have e-crush. It's okay if you have e-crush kasi paghanga lang po. Yes, teacher. So now, okay, Sammy, class. So now, before you go to school, what do you do first? Teacher! Yes, I do first, I wake up, teacher. Yes, very good, teacher. Wake up. So everyone, I said, only the first. Wait for the following question. So very good, Lynette, you're in a group. So now, kids, what sounds makes you wake up? Teacher, my mother. Yes, your mother. Voice, listen. Yes, teacher. Can you please say my mother. Yes, your mother or your mother say, Sherika. Opo, inspired tayo daw kay General klase. Very good, Sherika. So yes, prisoner.
The sound of a rooster.
Yes, the sound of a rooster. How is that? I don't know how. So yes, very good. Everyone, I saw me. So another, aside from calling your mother and the sound of rooster, another. Yes, Danica. The alarm, teacher. Yes, the alarm. Yeah. Yes, so I'll wake up because of the sound of the alarm. So very good. Yes, next one.
A sound of beep or something.
Yes, very good. Yes, like sound.
Because my house is near the house.
Yes, okay. The sound of the That's very good. That's one, teacher. That's one. Yes.
The neighbor.
The neighbor. Yes, yes. Just like as we said, also very good neighbor. Very good, yeah. So now, after you wake up, what is the second step you need to do? Yes, give your meal. I take my meal, teacher. You take your meal. Okay, aside from take your meal, what else? Yes.
Take a bath.
Yes, teacher. Take a bath. Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes, eat. Is that clear? Yes. After you eat your breakfast, I mean, who prepared your breakfast?
My mom.
Yes, your mom. Yes, Esther.
My father.
Yes, your father.
My mom.
Yes, your mom also. What?
Our yoga teacher.
Wow! Mr. Okay, so listen class. What is your favorite breakfast? Yes. Yes, guys, sunshine. Yes, sir. Pusino.
Bacon teacher. Hello with egg.
Hash brown. Okay, we need to eat in our house so that if we go to school, our tummy is full and we have energy. Good. So now, after you eat your breakfast, what will you do next? Yes, are you done making a bath? What else after you eat your breakfast? What do you need to do after you toothbrush? Yes, very good. Toothbrush. You need to brush our teeth so that brush 3 times a day. Brush to keep cavities away. Okay, we need to brush our teeth so that cavities will go away. Very good, class. So now, what do you do to your bag? What did you put inside of your bag?
Teacher me.
Yes, Danica.
Wow.
Food for lunch and yes, food for lunch. Yes.
Teacher.
So yes, teacher me, sorry.
My lunch box teacher.
Yes, just like food also your lunch box. Yes.
My water.
Yes, your water. We need water to stay hydrated. Yes,
Of course, teacher, my notebook and paper.
yes, very good. The most important thing.
Me teacher. Last one.
Okay, yes.
Both my teacher.
Yes, bowl.
Last one.
Okay, last one. Yes, pencil.
Last one teacher.
Okay, enough class. So all of you mentioned now we need that in our to put inside of our bag because we need that in our study or yes. Good. So now after you pack your bags or like you keep all of your things inside of the bag, what do you do next?
Wait, teacher. Wait, teacher. The school bus.
Yes, that's school bus.
Yes.
But before you enter on the before you wait for this class, what do you do to your mom or dad or your family?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye and kiss
Yes,
them.
bye-bye and kiss. Okay, Christopher.
Our teacher.
Yes, very good. So after you give a kiss to your mom or saying goodbye to your family, you can now na kayo pumasok or pumunta sa school. So did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, what are those things you need to do again? Before you go to school, the first, wake up, very good. The second, take a bath, very good. Or use your uniform and eat your breakfast. Another aside from that, brush your teeth. Yes, very good. Brush your teeth after you eat your breakfast. How about the fourth one?
Put your things inside the
Yes, very good, Kimberly. Put your things inside of your box. And the last one.
Saying goodbye to your friends.
Yes, saying goodbye or saying I love you. So very good, kids. So all of your answers will write forward.
Yes, we are the winner.
Okay, very good, kids. So now, why do you think what is the importance of following the steps before you go to school? What is the importance of following the steps before you go to school. Yes, for my grade 2 students, we believe.
So we will not forget anything.
Yes, because if you forget only one, it can affect in a good life. So aside from that, what else we want to add? Yes, Julie.
Me eating teacher.
Yes, eating. If you forgot to eat your breakfast, yes, you don't have energy when you're in class. So very good for the group 3 and group 1. Okay, very good class. So now we are going to have an activity. So for my B1 students, I want you to look at this. Kindly get your paper or your notebook and then get also your pencil. So I want you after me, then you will follow direction. Arrange the ordinal number in sequence. Write your answer on the space provided. So now you may start. I'll just give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay, for my grade 2 students, everyone, eyes on me. Okay, for your activity, I want you to read after me. Direction. Arrange the ordinal numbers in sequence. Write your answer on the space provided. Okay, I want you to put out your paper and your pencil, and I'll just give you 5 minutes to do that. You may start. Are you done, my grade 1? Yes, teacher. So now let's answer the activity. So who wants to answer the number 1? Yes, Sherika. Can you please come here to your mark?
Okay. The number 2 teacher.
Number 3.
Yes, teacher. Yes, the sequence of the Yes, let's see if your answer is correct. So in the sequence of ordinal numbers, first is the first, and the second is this, the 2, and the third is this 1, and the fourth is this, and the fifth is this. So Sharika got the correct answer. Yeah, so Sharika got the yes, so your runner will run forward. Another is Danica. Can you please help Danica? Okay, yes, please go ahead.
Oh yes, please. Teacher me, number 3. Mari, let's stop.
Okay, thank you, Yasmin. So, based on Yasmin's answer, that the correct answer, you can put your answer here or put the sequence of the number here. Like in the first, like what Sharika answered, she put the number 1 here since the number 1 first in the ordinal number. So here, Yasmin, your answer also is correct because based on this sequential, the first is 6 and the second is 7. So you got the correct answer. And the next is 8. So you also got the correct answer. Next is 9. So you also got the correct answer. And next is 10. So in ordinal numbers from up to 10. So the 10 is the last ordinal number. So very good, Yasmin. You got the correct answer.
Good one, teacher.
Yes. So now for my grade 2 students, are you guys answering your activity?
Yes.
So now, who among you wants to go to the front and answer your number 1? Yes? Okay, for my grade 1 students, I want you to get also your paper and answer this. You may start. Okay, let's see if your answer are correct. So, based on the answer of team, so let's see if your answer is correct. So in ordinal number 11 to 20, the first is 11. So your answer is correct. We have 11 here. So next is after 11, you have also a 12. Very good. So your answer is correct because we also have 12. So next is 13. After 12, we have 13. So your answer is correct since we have a 13. So next is after the 13, the next question is the 14. So your answer is correct since we have 14 here. So last is 15 after the 14. So your answer is correct since we have 15. So Kimberly got the correct answer. So let's give Kimberly a clap. Okay, Kimberly. So are you in? Okay, very good, Kimberly. So now, for the last number, can you answer the okay, you may start. So let's see if your answer is correct. So again, in ordinal numbers 11 to 20, the first is the 11. So let's see if there's 11. So there's 11. So your answer is 11. So your answer is correct. So next is after 11, we have 12. After 12, what is 13? We doesn't have here a 12 and 13. So what comes the next?
14.
So do we have a 14?
Yes.
Very good. We have 14 here, right here. So your answer is correct. After the 14, what comes next? 15. Yes, 15 times 30. So let's see if you there's 15. Yes, there's 15. So your answer is also correct. So after 15, what comes next? 16. So after 16, what comes next? 17. Yes, very good, listener. We don't have a 16 here. So the next notebook and also your